10 साल में दुनिया की 10वीं से 5वीं बड़ी इकोनॉमी बन गया।
It was a year when India maintained its status as the world's fastest growing major economy. With forex reserves at a healthy $650 billion, GST collections reaching new highs, and major stock indices up more than 8% on year. It was a year when India lost Ratan Tata, its biggest business Ratna. It was also a year when the country witnessed its grandest ever wedding and saw continued allegations and attacks against the Adani Group. 2024 also saw the re-election of Narendra Modi as Prime Minister for the third time, saw political parties throw fiscal caution to the wind and promise freebies to get votes, and also saw the election of Donald Trump as the US President for a second time.
If India charges us 100% and we charge them nothing for the same, they send in a bicycle and we send them a bicycle, they charge us 100 and 200, India charges a lot.
In 2025, it is this 78-year-old who could switch gears for the world economy. His threat of tariffs against America's biggest trading partners, his promise to create a strategic national Bitcoin reserve,
Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say it,
and efforts to make the US dollar great again will set the direction for the global economic compass in the new year. Meanwhile, the newly discovered calm at the LAC between India and China, first with Modi-Xi meeting in Kazan and then NSA Ajit Doval's trip to Beijing, could signal winds of change for trade ties between the two powerful neighbors. What will also spin the compass in 2025 is the very real possibility of a rate cut on the Mint Street in February. This comes even as India's GDP growth fell to a 7-quarter low in the July-September quarter, sparking worries about the manufacturing sector. This also comes as the US Federal Reserve indicated that it may slow the pace of its rate cuts next year, which, along with selling by foreign institutional investors, is making the Dalal Street nervous. Another major worry is inflation, particularly high food prices, which cloud the economic horizon in 2025. India, however, still remains a bright spot in the world economic map, and Budget 2025 is expected to place more money in the hands of the consumer, giving a consumption boost to the economy. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.